Hello everybody, today we are playing Modern Warships again. So yesterday I posted a video about Admiral Nakhimov. So that's a Russian cruiser that I got from a daily draw. So I reviewed that yesterday. If you want to check it out, go and check it out for this video. Or if you want, you can check this video. It depends of what you want to do. So in this video, what I want to review is the JS Kurama. So this ship is a destroyer and it's a tier 2 ship. So of course the specs of the ship, some specs of the ship will be like overpowered by the Admiral Nakhimov by so many ways, but this ship is not stock. Everything, it's not stock. It has a durability of 132,715 hit points. I mean, it can even take 2 destroyers at once. Then the speed is 21.2 knots. It beats the Admiral Nakhimov by just an inch. And the maneuvering ability is 9.9. Yes, it can outmaneuver the Admiral Nakhimov. Yeah, since it's a destroyer. The radar range is 12.9 kilometers, so it's a bit larger than the Admiral Nakhimov. So it's launched in 1977, and the length is 159 meters. Okay, and the width is 17 meters, which is very short, and the displacement is 5,200 tons. It's shorter, older, smaller, and the displacement is light. So anyways, let's look at the armament, equipment, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so the Korkut D, this is from Turkey. It's an anti-aircraft system installed in the cannon slot, because you can fire projectiles that comes out from this thing at ships, and it's absolutely ridiculous. As you can see in the damage corner, you can see it has 908 damage, doubled, because there's 2 of them. That's what's crazy about the Kurama. It has 2 cannons, so it's like a damage of a missile in the same time. So it can fire target ships, and the guidance system allows you to automatically aim the gun at the target without the need of precise aiming. Now we have the RUR-5 or RUR-5 ASROC. This is a grenade launcher, and it has 1,100 damage, and it's a multiple launch rocket system made in the USA. It rains projectiles upon the enemy, also effective against incoming torpedoes. Next, for the torpedoes, we have the K745 Blue Shark. So it's a lightweight anti-submarine torpedo. The torpedo can be used by surface ships, anti-submarine helicopters, and aircraft. So it has 10,620 damage times 2 because there's torpedo launchers at each side. Okay, next is we have the Goalkeeper Sea Whiz. For the air defenses, we have the Goalkeeper Sea Whiz. It has 19.4 damage. It is higher than the Kashtan M. Also, it doesn't shoot missiles, but still it's very impressive. Listen to me. So the only thing is it's not that accurate than the Kashtan M. The Goalkeeper is just faster and fiery, and it has more damage than the Kashtan M. Next is we have the Kortik, which is the same thing as the Kashtan M. It just has a missile configuration system though. So next thing is that we have the WZ-10 CAIC helicopter from China. As I said earlier, this has different parts just thrown onto it. It's like I'm building a Lego set, and then it's different colors. So it's an attack helicopter manufactured in China. It is the first Chinese attack helicopter with the 2-seat cabin. The helicopter was adopted by the PLA in February 2011. So this helicopter, since I've used it a lot of times already, I can tell you this. It is very fast, okay? It can be as fast as the Harrier. I'm serious. It's as fast as the Harrier. and also it has a wide selection of armament that you can use. It has a minigun at the front, and you can pick 2 more missiles, and of course it has flare launchers. And for the camouflage, I have the Phantom, and for the flag, I have the Philippine flag. So yeah, that's it basically for the specs of the JS Kurama. It's a pretty impressive ship, if I will tell you. This ship is the one who, of course, I had to level up my other ships before I got this, and then I decided to like make this my main ship. So yes, I did, and look at what happened. I'm eventually level 13, and after that, after a daily login, I got the Admiral Nakamov and decided to replace it with that, because basically that's a better ship. So yeah, that's the story of the JS Kurama. So yeah, let's just get into a battle. Speak, but for straight for this part of the video, let's just like no commentary, okay? So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like if you enjoyed the video, and also subscribe if you like content like this, and also click the notification bell so that you won't miss any more videos that come out in this channel. I hope that I upload every day, and I think hopefully it's nice to see me again in a freaking video. So peace out.